Hey guys, today on Simply Loot, I'm going to show you how you can make your own homemade pasta sauce that's going to be better than any pasta sauce that you buy at the store. You can use it to make homemade pizza, spaghetti, any pasta of your choice. It's going to be really simple but really flavorful. Okay, so for today's recipe, you're going to need a saucepan. You're going to need some unsalted butter. I've got some roasted red peppers, which you can pre-buy in the store or you can roast them yourself. For me, it just depends on if the store has them or not, because most of the time I'm not going to multiple grocery stores. You're going to need a can of whole peeled tomatoes, a can of tomato paste, a yellow or white onion, some fresh garlic. I've got Italian seasoning mix, and salt and pepper. And it's really pretty simple. What you're going to do, you're going to combine your butter and your onions in your pot, and you're going to let that simmer maybe for about 5 minutes. Then you're gonna go ahead and add your whole peeled tomatoes, your tomato paste, your roasted red pepper, and your seasonings and your garlic, and you're just gonna let that simmer on low for maybe about 30 to 40 minutes. And then you're gonna just take it to your blender, or you can use an immersion blender. It doesn't really matter, and you're gonna blend it till it's nice and smooth, and then it's gonna be ready to serve. All right, guys, so my pasta sauce is nice and smooth and blended. It's nice and hot, so we're gonna try it. All I did was boil some spaghetti noodles, nothing big going on here. Nice up a lid bowl of spaghetti. Okay, I am gonna put some fresh tomatoes in because I do like that. Now again, if I was like serving this, I'd probably have some ground turkey or ground beef or whatever. You can turn it into a meat sauce, it doesn't matter. We're just gonna try it as is. Nice and hot. Beautiful color. I'm gonna put a little Parmesan, because who doesn't love cheese? Oops. All right, let's try it. Our pasta. Right. That was so good, guys. I'm telling you in there, you can even taste it down to the onions when we caramelize them at the beginning. It's so flavorful. You got that nice freshness from the herbs. It was so good. And even that roasted red pepper, it just gives it a different flavor. Instead of it just being like a tomato base, you get hit with the onion, you get hit with the garlic, you get hit with that red pepper, and it is fantastic. So anyway, if y'all like this video, make sure to like and subscribe. If you look in the description box, you'll see the recipe there, and we'll see y'all next time. Bye.